Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did these nails and I hope you like this tutorial. So first, of course, because this was a refill, I removed the color and I shaped the nails the shape she wanted, and I shortened them a bit, and now I'm applying nail prep, and here I'm applying primer. And yeah, I'm just applying it all over the nail just like I always do. And this is on her own nails, by the way, so this is so good. I love doing a refill on her, like the client's own nails. Here I'm applying another layer of primer. This primer is from another brand. And the reason why I use two different primers is because I feel like the second primer is more like a sticky one, so I put it after I put the first primer and it works very good, so why not? So now I'm applying a third layer of primer, but actually this is more like gel consistency, so it's kind of a gel base. And here I'm applying the base gel, and I'm using the one from Crystal Nails that I once tried in a video. Here I'm just fixing her nail because it was like not even, so I just filled the corner in so it was like sharp, very much like a ballerina. Of course it's not gonna look like this, I'm gonna file it so it looks good. And by the way, yes, my nail was broken, my index fingernail was broken, and I feel like all of my videos, in all of them I have at least one fingernail broken, but yeah, whatever. So now I'm gonna show you two different ways you can do this half glitter, half color nail. Here's the first method, and here I'm just applying the glitter first without any color underneath. And then I'm gonna apply 2 layers of this glitter. And by the way, it's 2 o'clock in the morning or at night, and I just felt like filming this, so that's why it sounds like I'm whispering and I'm very slow when I talk and all that. And as you can see, I'm fixing the edge of the glitter because this is what the glitter will look like in the end, so it's important to make it straight. And now I'm applying builder gel. I'm trying to put more builder gel on the side where I have not put the glitter because there's no product underneath and it's gonna be so much thinner if I don't. And here's the second way that you can do this design. First, you apply a thin layer of the color that you're gonna use, and then after that you apply the glitter. And as I said before, you have to make the edge very sharp because this is how your design is gonna look like in the end. And when I'm done with that, I just put builder gel all over the nail. Here I don't have to worry about putting more on one side or the other because I put a very thin layer of the glitter, so we're good to go. Now I'm gonna complete the design by applying glitter to all of the pinky nail. And here I'm applying clear builder gel to the middle finger. And when I'm done putting builder gel and glitter and color and all of that on the nails, I start filing them and shaping them just like I always do. So a little bit of the footage that I had was removed, so after this I just put on color. I always speed up my videos, but this is how slow I actually am in real life, so that's why it takes a long time to do the nails that I do. So now it's time to put color on the part that we didn't have color, and I just, okay, whatever, I just put it like I do on all of the nails. I guess it's nothing special. I'm applying a thin layer of Billo gel because my client wanted a crown detail on her ring finger, so that's what I'm preparing for. And of course I'm doing the same thing on the other side, or the other hand. And to make the crown stay on, I just put gel between and over a bit of the crown. So my client wanted to show you guys a very close up of her nails when they're almost done, and this is what they look like. And after this we just put top coat on all of the nails, and this is the final result. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you in my next video.